My name is Melissa Castle. I am a project manager, and I've been working at Modula for just over a year. As a project manager, I would say the most important thing that I do during a day is pretty much following up with other people, making sure that they're doing what I need them to do, or they're following up on what they're saying that they're doing. For example, I get parts that I need made. I get estimates, time estimates when deliveries are coming in. The second, probably the most important thing I would say, is communication, trying to keep everyone informed as to what the status of what I'm doing is. So it's kind of a combination of constantly running around trying to find what things are being done, as well as letting people know where things are. I think people might be surprised about my job in that it is so diverse, in that you do have a lot of surprises, and it requires a lot of flexibility, a lot of adaptability, because you can sit down and you can write all the Gantt charts you want and all the project plans and everything you need, but there's always going to be some sort of hiccup every day. Something comes along. Either a part's going to be late, or you have a snowstorm and half your personnel are out, and yet you still have that timeline to meet. So I think somebody who would be a good fit for this job is somebody that's going to be able to think on their feet, somebody that's going to be adaptable, somebody that's going to be creative in their problem-solving skills and be able to do some real critical thinking on what's important and what's not important. But this job is important to me in that the company is small enough to feel like I'm making a difference, yet it's large enough to have the resources that we need to be able to get the job done. Everybody is very collaborative. It does have that small company feel in that everybody knows everybody. Everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing, and yet it's small enough where everybody can helpfully pitch in when there's a fire. So I think that the overall management style is a very trusting style. And you know, I think that leads to the people having a chance to shine and the room for advancement. We have some people that we know go above and beyond, that are very good at their jobs, and they volunteer for extra work, such as safety committees or involvement in extra products. And that really lets the people that want to work harder and want to move up shine. I think the one thing about Modula that probably isn't stressed a lot, it isn't advertised a lot, is its focus on people. I mean, I think it goes above and beyond in celebrating the small victories that we have, you know, meeting 90-day safety goals, having pizza parties, Christmas parties, things of that sort, that it really does appreciate the people that work for it.